Yeah, I know. Look, I don't have much time. I'm only going to meet with him briefly, so don't worry. It's not gonna do anything. Yeah, it's on my way. I'll see you in 5. Bye.
Hey.
Hey, I can't stick around for long. I'm going to meet Mike soon, so got to hurry.
I've got somewhere to be myself. How is your new boyfriend?
Good, thanks. We both are. Yeah.
I'm glad you're both okay. You seem to have everything sorted.
Yeah. How are things with you?
I'm okay. Everything is fine.
Okay. Anyway, these are the keys. I've put your stuff in the back room.
You're still wearing the ring.
There's this as well. He came the other day. I did my part. You need to sort the rest out of it as soon as possible.
Yeah.
You should have waited until this was sorted, Paul, and then it wouldn't be a problem.
All I wanted was for us to have a better life. For you. 20 years. 20 years, Sarah. I've been going into a job doing the same shit. And what did I get for it? Nothing. You know why? I was doing it so I could pay a never-ending mortgage so that we could both keep a roof over our heads. I was doing it purely so that we could both survive.
If you had spent more time with your family rather than wasting time and money on drinking, not to mention the pointless protests. Yeah.
What do you think got me through those years? I mean, I was trying to change the world, but I was stupid.
How about me? Was I not there for you at all?
It's not about that. I do still love you. I was feeling frustrated. I was feeling trapped. I needed to get out.
How do you think I feel? Not that you ever cared. Countless hours a week and I still struggle to pay the bills. That's what people do. They get on with their life. They make sacrifices.
Yeah,
Sometimes you need to do things not because you want to, or not for yourself, but for the people you care about.
Yeah, but...
No, Paul. That's it. I need to go. Sort yourself out.
Sorry. Take care of yourself.
Sorry. Really, really sorry. Yeah. Look, I can understand your frustration. But the decisions made high up, it's completely out of my hands. Yeah. I really did look into it. I really did. I have no idea why your account is being closed. This is beyond my jurisdiction. All I can say, I'm really sorry. Let me talk to my bosses and I'll see what I can do. But I can't promise us anything. As I said, let's discuss it in person next week. Okay? I understand, but you know, a lot of things have changed since I first arrived. You should have been made aware that, you know, they have become tougher on immigration. And because of that, yeah, Because of that, we have to put in new rules in place. My bank does anyway. Times have changed. I know it seems unfair, but these decisions are made for a reason. It's nothing personal. There are plenty of people in your situation. Listen, I'll do my best to help you out. Okay? Yep.
Finish what you're doing. I need to go back to work.
Sarah?
Bye.
Wait, Sarah. Sorry, say?